I'm gonna go pick up my childrens, and we're gonna go do some stuff. And it is your privilege to be joining me. Now, the thing is, I'm about, I don't have a watch, but 3 hours late, but it's okay. As long as I'm not 4 hours late, we should be fine. I gotta walk there, so it might take me a bit. Okay, bye. Alright, so I've been doing some jogging because I'm gonna be late, but I think it's for a good cause because I'm about to donate some blood, and I hope my heroin don't, I hope that doesn't affect anything like that, but I gotta get my free t-shirts. Alright, well, you know, that's how I live. I stole this one, but I'm gonna get me a free t-shirt. Hey, you will never believe what the fuck I'm going through right now. See me crying? It ain't good. I'm at the school right now, and they told me I am not allowed to have my kids because they're calling DSS on me. I don't know what that stands for. DSS. What did I do? So, okay, yeah, I was 4 hours late. I don't give a fuck. I'm telling you what, it's them teachers. They bitch and complain about how, oh, I don't get paid a lot. Guess what? I don't get paid nothing. And I do drugs. I can afford my drugs. Okay? I'm pissed. I just want to... I don't know what to do. I don't know. I mean, I have to get my child supports. Can DSS take away your children and your child supports? I'm worried about that money.